A few weeks ago, I made a full sound demo of this guitar. And I got some decent tones out of it, but I wasn't really that satisfied. But today I am, and I'm gonna show you why. As you might know, I built this guitar over the summer as my first guitar build, and if you haven't checked it out, you can check it out right here. When I then made the sound demo, I borrowed this AC30, I borrowed SM57s, the classic way to record guitar. I even borrowed a small pedal board, and I managed to dial in some decent tones, but I wasn't really that satisfied. First of all, it was new gear for me, and it takes some time to get used to the gear and find the right tones. Also, I'm in my apartment in Copenhagen, and although I have great neighbors, I can't really play very loud for long periods of time. The whole time this amplifier was on the lowest possible volume setting. Then I stumbled onto the company Neural DSP because they just released their big machine quad cortex. You might have heard of it. I checked out their website and they have plugins. One of the plugins is called Archetype Cory Wong. You can download that for a 14-day trial, and I did that, and that was kind of a game changer for me. So check out a decent lead tone also. Also, it has great things like this envelope to play with. So there's so much to play with in this plugin. First of all, there's the whole amp section with 3 amps and 3 caps right here. There's the pedal section with boost pedals, compression, and an envelope that you just heard. Also, there's a wah pedal. It even has an auto wah like this. And then it has reverb and great delay. I think the reverb is a little inspired by the Strymon Big Sky. Sounds very nice. And then it has this gate that is pretty useful also. And of course it has a great tuner. I really like this tuner. It's not as jittery as the one in Logic. It's also possible to turn off the amp section. You just turn off the amp like this, and the cap section you can just deactivate it. And then you're just using the gate and the effects. So all in all, it's super convenient and super useful. So then you might ask, why don't you just buy a Strymon Iridium? And I have to admit, I actually did. And if you don't know what the Strymon Iridium is, it's kind of an amplifier in a box. So this AC30 is right here and goes directly into my headphones. So check out this amazing piece of gear. Then I'm turning on my stereo chorus. Isn't that just an amazing sound? great. Let's play something with this. Now, for the lead tone of this amazing machine. Okay, without chorus. So that was just some of the tones I was able to get out of the Neural DSP Cory Wong plugin and out of the Strymon Iridium. I have to say that I found them both to be pretty amazing, and I have to tell you why, because when I'm composing, when I'm getting ideas, I need two things, super important: a great sound on the guitar, because a great sound, if you play a tone and the tone sounds amazing, you want to play the next tone. You can even hear what the next should be, and that way you get the ball rolling and you get creative, you record something, you compose. So the tone has to be great. The other thing is convenience. It is equally important for me that it's super convenient. If I get ideas late at night, I want to be able to sit down and record it. I want to be able to practice with a great sound. That is exactly what these two things are getting me, the plugin and the Iridium. It's giving me the opportunity to sit down, have a great sound at any time, and record what I want to record. So in that regard, I'm super excited about both of them. But I have to say the Iridium is a step ahead. When it comes to lead sounds, they are just amazing. I have only had it for a few days, so I am so much looking forward to dialing in more great tones. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this content, please hit the subscribe button, the like button, the little bell icon. I have some pretty big projects coming up, so please stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.